paano kung ang diamonds ay hindi talaga rare at niloko lang tayo sa marketing nila? Alam mo ba na fresh water is rarer than a diamond? Pero bakit mas mahal yung diamond kaysa fresh water? It's really because of marketing. And when you apply this to your business, pwede mong doble ng presyo mo tomorrow without losing your clients. Number one, no? Water kasi is a need, diamond is a want. Meaning, kailangan mo ng tubig para mabuhay, pero hindi mo kailangan ng diamond. And most of the time, wants have a higher perceived value than needs. Example, yung pampaganda mo, yung relo mo, yung pag-travel mo. Hindi mo naman kailangan yun para mabuhay, di ba? Pero ilang milyon ang ginastos mo doon. Tingnan mo yung mga needs mo. Bigas, tinapay, tubig. Konting taas lang ng presyo, reklamo ka na. It's because needs are price sensitive, pero wants are emotion sensitive. Pangalawa, water has no story, diamonds has a story. When you buy water kasi, you just drink it and makalimutan mo na agad. Pero kapag bumili ka ng diamond, you have an attached meaning to it. No? It's because people don't pay for products, they pay for stories that they tell themselves. For example, bakit ka ba bumibili ng cake? No? Kasi it means celebration. Bakit ka ba nagpapaganda? Kasi you want other people to appreciate you. Bakit ka ba nagbibigay ng regalo sa Pasko? Kasi it means you love them. If you notice, the more meaning something has, the higher the perceived value, higher the price. Lastly, pangatlo, fresh water is actually scarce in existence, pero accessible. Diamonds are actually abundant, pero scarce in access. Yung tubig meron araw-araw kahit kailan, kahit saan. Yung diamonds, di mo basta-basta makukuha. May proseso, may presyo, may gate. Kaya mas mahal ang diamonds kasi scarcity is not about how little it exists. Scarcity is about how hard it is to get. Kung sobrang accessible ka, mumura yung serbisyo mo. Pero pag dadaan ng proseso ang client para lang mag-access sa'yo, tataas yung perceived value mo. This is the reason why yung mga luxury items, hindi mo basta-basta mabibili sa tindahan. Most of the time, dadaan ka sa what you call waitlist at maghihintay ka. This is to limit access para they can charge premium.